Uh, all right. So this is what we had started actually, exercise 7.2. Before this, I was discussing the section formula with you people, and the section formula is actually used to find out the coordinates of a point which divides a line segment in a ratio given to you. So before we learn how to apply the formula, I was discussing the scenario where this ratio is 1 is to 1. If P point is the midpoint, then what happens? The ratio in which P divides AB becomes 1 is to 1 because the two parts will be equal in that case. And if we use this logic, that the ratio in which point P divides AB, this ratio is 1 is to 1, using the value of M1 as 1 and M2 as 1, formula आपका क्या बन जाएगा? If we had to find out the abscissa of P, the x coordinate for P, it will be equal to x2 plus x1 over 2. And the ordinate for P will be y2 plus y1 by 2. अब इसको अगर मुझे simply लिखना हो, I'll just put this in a compact form rather than going over in such detail. If I had a line segment whose endpoints are A and B, the coordinates for A are x1 and y1, the coordinates for B are x2 and y2. There is a point P which divides this line segment into two parts. The ratio of those two parts is M1 is to M2. We could also mark it here, M1 for the first part, M2 for the second part. And if the coordinates of P are represented by x and y, then the relation is to find out. Now, these are coordinates of P. How can we find out the coordinates of P? This relation is given by this one. Try cross multiplying. जब आपको x लेना है, use the x values. So cross multiplying. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2. And when we want to find the ordinate, अब आपको ordinate ढूंढना है, तो ordinate के लिए हम अपने y वाली values को use करेंगे. So m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. And if P is midpoint, then coordinates of P are, simply stating, okay, Niratnur is here, nice. If P is the midpoint, then our line segment would be like this, and then we have A here. The coordinates are x1 comma y1. B point, the coordinates are x2 y2. P is the midpoint, so the ratio of the parts will be 1 is to 1. And in this case, we can write down the coordinates of P as x and y. So this will be x1 plus x2 by 2, and the y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 by 2. और आपकी बुक में इसको ब्रैकेट में लिखा होगा इस तरह से, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. These are the coordinates of P. और इसको भी आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो ब्रैकेट फॉर्म में, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So observing, these are the value of abscissa, the abscissa of P over here, and this is the ordinate. Anyone who has a question in the formula about this? डेरिवेशन नहीं है, सिर्फ एप्लीकेशन है. आपने बस ध्यान रखना है जब रेशो दी हुई है तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज होगा m वाला, और अगर मिड पॉइंट बताया हुआ है तो हम ये यूज करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you've written this. आपको सिर्फ ये लिखना है P point which divides AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. If you want, I can send notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just leave one page for this. That will be sufficient. Leave one page for this. That will be sufficient. And now we are proceeding with the exercise. So we have exercise 7.2, excuse me, which requires the application of this formula. It's on page number 167. And this is what we have. First question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of these two in the ratio 2:3. So join means a line segment which joins these two. So if this is A and this point is B, so it would mean AB, the line segment AB. Join of A and B. And there is a point which divides AB. So let's name that point as P. So if I have to simply draw, there is a point lying on line segment AB. So A is over here, इसके coordinates हमें दिए हैं. B is over here, इसके भी coordinates दिए हैं. P is dividing this line segment in the ratio 2:3. We have to find out the coordinates of P. P के coordinates find करने हैं. This is the direct application of the formula. So let's just draw a rough sketch in the notebooks and then we will solve. So we have point A. Yes, Lavanya? By mistake. The coordinates for this are -1, 7, and the coordinates for B are 4, -3, and there is a point P, and let us say its coordinates are X and Y. This is what we have to find out, the values of X and Y. The ratio in which the line segment is divided is 2:3. Let the point be P with coordinates X, Y. Question में क्या find the coordinates of the point which divides this line segment in the said ratio. So I'm just starting by letting that point as P with coordinates X, Y. So bisection formula. Now before you note down, आप answer इसका 1 by 1 निकाल सकते हो. Means first you can find X and then you can find Y and eventually you can give your answer. आप ऐसे कर सकते हो या फिर आप इकट्ठा आंसर निकाल सकते हो. Means together in a bracket. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Let me know how do you think is better. 1 by 1 कर लें?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let's start with X first of all. Keep in mind जब आप X find कर रहे हो, आपने abscissa use करने हैं and cross multiply. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1. In the denominator, you will have sum of the ratio, 2 plus 3. And then you can solve. Similarly, when you're solving for Y, you're going to use the ordinates and cross multiply. So this will be 2 multiplied with -3 plus 3 multiplied with 7. In the denominator, you have 2 plus 3. Now you can give the answer after this. So this is 8 minus 3 by 5. This is 1. And over here it's minus 6 plus 21 by 5. This will be 3. Anyone with any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. Is anyone writing down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Now let's take a look at the next question. This is important. Find the coordinates of points of trisection of the line segment joining these two. So if this is A, this is B, you need to find out the points which trisect the line segment. Bisection, trisection. So bisection means division into two equal parts, and trisection means division into three equal parts. Now, if you had to find out just the midpoint, that would mean that the line segment has been divided into two equal parts. अब suppose यहाँ पे आपके पास question ये होता, trisection की बजाय simply question होता bisection का, कि find the coordinates of the point which bisects the line segment AB. So that would actually mean कि आपको जो point ढूंढना है, that will be midpoint. और midpoint ढूंढने के लिए simple formula ये है, if we have A and B as given, so we have A as 4, comma minus 1 and B is given as minus 2, comma minus 3. तो अगर आपको इसका midpoint निकालना है, let's say it's M, so it would have been really simple. The simplest way is add the abscissa, sum divided by 2. So 4 plus minus 2 divided by 2. And for ordinates, take the ordinates right there, sum divided by 2. So minus 1 plus minus 3 over 2. This is what you have to do. अगर midpoint निकालना होता, but यहाँ पे हमें midpoint नहीं निकालना, हमें निकालना है the point which trisect. So what will happen here is, if we just show it, we have point A here. The coordinates are 4, comma minus 1, and we have B here. The coordinates are minus 2, comma minus 3. Since we want to divide this line segment into three equal parts, trisection means three equal parts. Two points will be used. So roughly saying, let us say यहाँ पे हो रहा है. So one is P, one is Q. Now you have three equal parts, 1, 2, and 3. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we are going to do is, we are going to find the coordinates of P and Q one by one, but it will be done by ignoring one of these two in the beginning. So same line segment. If I just draw the same line segment and I mark the points given to me, point A, 4, minus 1, and B, minus 2, comma minus 3. I'll ignore one of these. Let's ignore Q. तो P यहाँ पे है. In this case, in the first case, if I had to look at the ratio, of these three parts, this is the first part, this is the second part, and this over here is the third part. The ratio of AP, PQ, QB is 1:1:1. Is that right? Now we do not know how to work with a line segment which has been divided into three parts, and rather three equal parts. We know how to work with a line segment which has been divided into two parts. So what we are doing is we are ignoring one point for the time being. Vanshara, do you have a question?
No, ma'am, it was right answer.
Okay. So what we are going to do is, instead of considering three parts, we are now considering two parts. And if you look at the ratio of these two parts, can anyone tell me, I've taken AP on one side, ये एक part है, और इन दोनों को मैंने इकट्ठा कर दिया, तो रेशो क्या बनेगी? ये अकेला रहेगा और ये दो इकट्ठे हो जाएंगे.
1:2.
Ma'am, 1:2.
Yes, this is what I will have. Now I have this ratio, 1:2. Can you now find the coordinates for P?
Yes, ma'am.
Just like the previous part, now we can work with these two. We have to find out the coordinates of P. You can name them as XY, and then find out X and Y. You will get coordinates of P. Anyone who has a question till here? Because हमारे पास जो section formula है, it does not work for three parts, it works for two parts. हमने क्या किया? हमने अपने line segment के जो दो trisection वाले points थे, उनमें से एक को ignore कर दिया. और जब हमने एक point को ignore किया, the new ratio that we have is AP and PB, and the ratio is 1:2. Now we're going to use this ratio to find the coordinates of the point that we have shown on the line segment. And for this, we are going to use the section formula. So let's just apply the section formula here and find the answer. Cross multiplying. Remember, you are using the abscissas to find X and the coordinates to find out the Y coordinate. So 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 over 1 plus 2. Solve and tell me what the answer is. This will be -2 plus 86 by 3, 2. This will be 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 3. This is what we have. Is it done?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to find out the coordinates for Q. You can do it the same way, the way I have done for P. Q find करने के लिए आप P को ignore कर दो. And if that happens, अगर हम इस तरह से करते हैं, Then you would have your line segment. You have A and you have B. We have the coordinates. Please don't draw for a while. ये मत note करना अभी. I'm just giving you the option. So to find out the coordinates of Q, we are ignoring P. अब आपको इसके coordinates find करने हैं. And if I just go with the ratio, earlier ratio ये थी हमारे पास यहाँ पे. Just consider this. 1:1:1. And keeping this in mind, अगर मैं इस चीज को यहाँ use करती हूँ, तो मैंने first two parts combine कर दिए हैं. AQ is to QB, and what will be the ratio now?
2:1.
2:1. फिर हम इस रेशो को यूज करके Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. दिस इज वन वे ऑफ डूइंग इट, जस्ट लाइक द वे वी डिड फॉर P. द इजियर ऑप्शन ये करने की बजाय व्हाट वी कैन डू इज we can only consider the part just a moment. So probably your time is almost up. So what we can do is we can consider only this portion. We can only consider the part PB.